Camilla will be speaking with two gentlemen who are organizing a fundraiser to build a brand new temple in Burnaby. This is replacing Burnaby Hindu Temple. As the population grows, so is the need for people to go and have a safe place to worship. The construction has already started, so have a look.
हमारे स्टूडियोज़ में आए हुए हैं दो जेंटलमैन जो कि हिंदू परिषद के मेंबर हैं और वन इज़ अ कोऑर्डिनेटर, अ फंड रेजिंग कोऑर्डिनेटर, मिस्टर रमेश अविनाशी is right on my left, and next to him is Krishan Soni, and he's the chairperson of the fundraising of the Hindu temple in Burnaby. The reason they are here today, they are building a huge Hindu temple in Vancouver next to Hare Rama Hare Krishna Mandir, and they are doing a fundraising. So आपसे अपील करने जा रहे हैं कि अगर आप देख रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं और हमारे जो टेंपल है उनको बढ़ावा देते हैं, और साथ साथ में एक कम्युनिटी सेंटर भी है जिसमें स्कूल भी होएगा जो हिंदी सीखते हैं. So both of you welcome, gentlemen, for our show. So talk a little bit about the people that don't know about Hindu temple. कितना बड़ा टेंपल है और जो आपका पुराना टेंपल है, how long that has been in existence?
Our temple started in the early 70s, and we occupied this new temple, the old temple where we are now, in 1973-74.
Okay.
And this is, as far as we are concerned, we understand this is the oldest Hindu temple in Greater Vancouver and perhaps in BC as well, and been visited by almost all the Hindus community and others whosoever came as new immigrants in this temple. Now the community has grown big and big and big and larger. So we got our segments of Hindus temple all over the lower mainland.
Yeah.
However, even we are running short of space too for the new temple. And so we thought of building a new temple, which is going to be on 5420 Marine Drive, Burnaby, next to the Hare Krishna temple. And so this temple, the new one, will be 31,000 square feet and will contain 4 classrooms for the Hindi classes. It will have a very big dining room for capacity up to 800 people sitting, and also a prayer hall for over 800 people while sitting on the carpet. It will also have its own murtis, which have already been bought and kept, and the dining room will also be state-of-the-art dining room, and the temple is about 70% finished.
Okay.
And we have raised about $101.35 million approximately since year 2012, April. And we continue to look for more and more funds. We had some our money too, which were when savings gone. We used that plus this, plus we intend to have some mortgage as well. Now we got enough money to build the temple, but we do not have enough money to. We may still have to take some mortgage. So, and that's what we are doing. We are trying to raise funds to pay off or reduce the mortgage.
Okay, thank you so much. जो आपने background दिया, history दिया temple का क्या. Dr. Ramesh Avinashi, आप coordinator है fundraising committee के लिए.
Yes.
So what can you say about how is your fundraising going, and who do you want to appeal to? And you are also having a huge fundraising on February 27th. Talk a little bit about that.
Yes, I've been part of this fundraising committee for last 3-4 years. I feel this is a worthwhile project for every person to get involved, especially all the Hindus who believe in Hindu faith or even otherwise, to come and help us though, because this house, God's house, belongs to everybody.
Yeah.
And whether you're young or old, or you need the temple though. We all need, whether it's a birth or death or marriage or whatever it is, we need this institution for us there, and we have to have a faith in God as well there.
Yeah.
And now the fundraising that we are doing is the event on 27th of February. It's at the Fraser View Banquet Hall. It starts at 6 p.m. And we are selling the tables and also the seats. We want you to be each part of it, though. It's a big project, as Dr. Soni has pointed out, and it's a worthwhile project, and we have to be all part of it there. And we want each one of you to contribute to it, whether it's in the form of a money donation or you come and pay, even for the seats that we are getting. It's $125 per seat. $25 goes for your food or expenses, and $100 is donation to the temple. So whether you want to donate $100 or $100,000, we all welcome that one. This community has a lot of resources. We have good people here, wonderful people. And remember, this is a community project, though, and it's not just a temple. It's a cultural center. It's a center for the seniors. It's a center for Hindu school and for children and a person of all ages that can use it there. So please help us there.
So your fundraising is taking place on February 27th. So how can people that are watching today be able to, who they should contact to get the tickets?
Yeah, actually, they can contact any of the fundraising committee members, and the two of us are here. But there are board members and even other people. We have actually good pillars, wonderful people who are helping us in the community, and they are helping us there. And you will see our name coming across, but contact Burnby Temple at any time, and we'll be more than happy to give you more information, sell you the ticket. And if you want to volunteer services or donate something, it could be. We also, in this banquet, we are having some silent auction, we are having some door prizes, we're having lots of things to happen. It'll be good entertainment that we arranged as well there. And we want you to be part of it there. And it'll be worth the visit there and worth your while for the time wise. So come and help us, and we'll help you in the future. This mandir, if I can add another thing, this temple has helped everybody. Even you came here as a beginner, you came to this temple in God's house, and you become a good person and a big person here. But help us back, give it feed. You were a student at this Hindi school, so now you're a big boy, you're earning something. It's time to give it back to the community, and it's only God's house. We all are contributing towards it, but we feel that rather than few people doing a lot of money, I would like a lot of people do small amount of money and make this temple a success.
Thank you. That's very good.
Thank you.
So is there a website people can go visit, or is there one or two phone numbers that people can remember, that instead of, if they say, okay, I want to go help.
Yes.
Why don't you gentlemen give your phone numbers at least?
We can give over telephone number. Actually, the Hindu Temple Burnby is the website as well. You can go and check the progress there. There's a list of donors, their activities, what is happening in the temple. You can all contact on this website, the Hindu Temple Burnby.
Okay.
And there's a
Phone number.
the phone number there, telephone number is 604-299-5922. That's the temple. And our personal telephone number, I'll give my cell number or my home number, I'll give it to you, is 604-544-1202. And Mr. Soni will give his telephone number if he wishes.
It's 604-738-8111.
But the best way to contact is through the temple or contact any board member. We have a president, we have a whole board of hardworking people that are behind this project, and we want everybody, to whatever way you want to contribute. If you don't have any money to contribute, if you got any good ideas to contribute, we still welcome this thing though.
Okay. So Mr. Soni, you want to?
Yeah, I also want to reassure the people that this temple, which will be one of the largest in North America, will also have its own wedding hall, its own auditorium, where the marriages can be performed according to Hindu traditions.
Yes.
And the capacity for sitting is 320 people plus, while you're seated like a theater or so.
Yeah.
That's the way it is, with the stage on,
Yeah.
and the priest will perform the ceremony, and they can all come, well dressed. They do not have to take the shoes off, because
Yeah.
this is a part of the community center.
Thank you so much, gentlemen, for being able to come and talk to our audience. And this is everybody on your board is a volunteer. You all do volunteer work. So you are building this big thing for a newer generation or this generation. So I think we also have a role to play to come out and support their fundraising cause and donate money for good cause. And you can also get a tax deductible receipt for your income tax purposes. Thank you.
Thank you,
so
Kamala
much.
ji, and you've been wonderful. And thank you for your
Thanks
your
very
staff as
much.
well, though.
Yeah.
All the best to you guys as well.
Thank you to both of you. And if you haven't gotten the ticket yet, don't delay, as the tickets are selling out fast to support the fundraising that is taking place on Fraserview Hall on February 27th.